To receive an SSL, you need to confirm to the certificate authority that you're permitted to make changes in your domain. This is known as Domain Control Validation, or DCV. When you activate your SSL, you'll be shown several options for confirming your domain via DCV. This video will focus on how to confirm your domain by creating a DNS record. This DCV option is ideal if you don't have access to the available approval emails or to the domain's hosting account. When you choose the Create a DNS Record option, you'll find the details required for creating a CNAME record on the next page. As an example, here's how to add a CNAME record on GoDaddy name servers. Log into your GoDaddy Domain Control Center. Under Additional Settings, select Manage DNS. Then select Add under the Records table. Under Type, select CNAME. Enter the details for your CNAME record. Click on the host value to copy it and then paste it to the host text box in GoDaddy. Then, copy the target value and paste it to the value text box. The CNAME adding process may vary from one DNS provider to another, so you should consider reaching out to your DNS provider for assistance with adding the CNAME record. When the record is added, it may take several minutes to propagate. To check if the record was added properly, use the tool linked in the instructions. Copy the value, paste it into the tool, and click on CNAME. The set of characters you used as target value for the CNAME should appear. When the CNAME shows up, click Confirm DNS Added to force the record check by the certificate authority. If the record was set up properly, the DCV process should be passed within a couple of minutes. SSLs that contain brand or financial keywords may be flagged for additional review. This can take up to 2 business days. If you ordered a domain validation SSL, your SSL should be issued as soon as you pass DCV. If you have an organization or extended validation SSL, then you will also need to pass the business validation process, so issuance will take a little bit longer. The certificate authority will reach out to you if they need additional details. Once your SSL is issued, your SSL will be sent to the admin email address you specified during the activation process. You will also be able to download the SSL from your account. If you experience any issues with confirming your domain, feel free to reach out to our support team.